Meanwhile, the fate of the fresh registration of Kenyans will be known today when the High Court is expected to rule on a case seeking to have it suspended over a raft of concerns by civil society organizations.
The ruling comes ahead of the national rollout of the exercise by President Uhuru Kenyatta tomorrow, and our reporter Zuya Walter is standing by the High Court to give us more details on this. Zuya, it's good to be speaking to you this morning. We saw on Friday, if my memory serves very well, Musheru as well as CS Fred Matiang'i meeting with the Senate. Nevertheless, the Senate saying, listen, you need to give more time. This needs to be paused so there's more time for implementation. Do you think that this will be approved by the High Court? All right, Zuya, can you hear me? If you can hear me, we were just highlighting the issue of the Huduma, the ruling on Huduma, which is expected today. Do you think that the court will rule in favor of Huduma?
Kenya Human Rights Commission.
Yes, carry on, Zuya.
Yes, it is a case that has been filed by 3 petitioners, among them the Kenya Human Rights Commission and the Nubian Rights Forum, together with the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. The cases were consolidated after Justice Weldon Korir said that the case raises weighty issues that the CJ has to appoint a 3-judge bench. Of course, a 3-judge bench led by Pauline Nyamoya, Weldon Korir, and Mumbi Ngugi was formed, and they had the application by the petitioners in the case. And the main application that was first heard is on whether the process, that is the Huduma Namba or NIMS, should be stopped or not. Of course, the government submitted that if the process will be stopped, then a huge amount of money will be lost, and it is the mwananchi who's going to lose in this thing. The government, through its lawyer, also say that this process, or the software, no foreign entity is going to access that. This is because the petitioners in the case say that if there is a foreign entity that was involved in the process. Again, the petitioners in the case say that there was no public participation. The government saying that, of course, the parliament, through members of parliament of various counties, were involved in the matter. So the 3-judge bench is today expected, that is at 4 p.m. to rule on whether the process will be stopped or not. We understand that here in Nairobi County, those who have been employed to help in the registration process today are supposed to take oath, and they started their training last week. And we understand too, the president is tomorrow set to launch this process in Ukambani, that is Mwala in Machakos County. So at 4 p.m. that is when we will know whether the process will be stopped or not. But again, at 4 p.m., considering that before the ruling is typed, before it is being satisfied and the parties serve the government, we don't know which way they will use to serve the government before 5 p.m. So we are here just waiting to see how the ruling will go on.